so that we can compete with the people out there. Developing countries are also very concerned about the quality of the education of their people. So it is not surprising that the quality of campus abroad is quite good. Even many Indonesians decide to gain knowledge out there. This, we must learn to be able to catch up, especially if we haven't yet had the opportunity to distribute education. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me here as a representative of the child ambassador to say a few words at this National Children's Day event. Actually, children have a big role that we cannot take for granted. Children under 10 years of age are the future citizens of Indonesia for decades to come. So that if these children don't have good quality at this time, the quality of Indonesia in the future will also decreasing. So how to maintain the quality of Indonesian children? Actually, we as parents or people close to children can guide him slowly, and train them to learn discipline. Try to give limit time when they are using gadgets and watching television. Instead, make it a habit for them to read books because as we know, Indonesia's reading interest isn't in a high enough position. If Indonesian students are diligent in reading, it is not impossible if we can compete on the international stage. A few speeches that can convey about the importance of education for children. I apologize if there's a wrong word in the delivery process. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.